Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Nissan GT-R. First, make sure your GT-R is in park or neutral for safety. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal. This is a crucial step for the ignition system to engage. Next, insert your intelligent key into the designated slot on the dashboard. This prepares the vehicle for the starting sequence. These initial steps ensure a smooth and safe start every time you get behind the wheel. Once your key is in place and your foot is on the brake, locate the engine start/stop button. Give it a firm push. You'll hear the engine begin to crank. Continue holding the button until the engine fully turns over and idles smoothly. Releasing it too soon might prevent a complete start. This process is designed for quick and efficient engine engagement, getting you ready to drive in moments. It's a satisfying sound when that powerful engine roars to life. After the engine starts, take a moment to observe your dashboard. Ensure all warning lights illuminate briefly and then extinguish, indicating proper system function. It's also a good practice to let the engine warm up for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, especially in colder conditions. This allows fluids to circulate optimally. Finally, adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to your preferred driving position for maximum comfort and control before you set off. If your GT-R doesn't start, first check your intelligent keys battery. A low battery can prevent recognition. Next, ensure your vehicle's main battery has sufficient charge, as a weak battery is a common culprit. If you hear clicking but no engine turnover, it often points to a battery issue. For persistent problems or specific dashboard messages, refer to your owner's manual. It provides detailed troubleshooting steps and explanations for various warning indicators, helping you diagnose and resolve issues efficiently.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.